This video will cover the first of our 2 labs on Lambda, and it'll cover basic functions. And just like I mentioned at the beginning of this course, as we progress through the labs, they'll start to use more and more different pieces of technology. For example, this lab will involve Lambda, IAM, and EC2. As always, in the video following this one, I'll have a walkthrough where I go through and perform the lab myself, but I highly encourage you to give it a shot on your own before you watch that one. With that being said, let's get started. So the first goal is to create a Lambda function using any runtime you want. Second, using IAM roles, give the Lambda full EC2 access and full CloudWatch access. And finally, have the Lambda either launch or terminate an EC2 instance depending on the parameters passed. This one's going to be a little bit trickier because depending on the runtime you choose, you're going to have to find the right SDK to use. So, best of luck, and if all of that makes sense, then feel free to move on.